Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss with you corrosion and its type. A full explanation tutorial is here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chemistry World. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start our video by the corrosion definition. First of all, we will define corrosion is the chemical or electrochemical reaction of metals with its environment, causing degradation and loss of material properties. It means that corrosion is basically the interaction between any material with its environment. It results in the deterioration of metal surfaces, reducing the functionality and lifespan of material structure and its components. So next we will discuss its types. So first type is dry corrosion. Dry corrosion, also known as atmospheric corrosion, is a type of corrosion that occur in the absence of liquid electrolyte. By name, it's also indicate that it is dry corrosion, so it takes place in the absence of any liquid electrolyte. It is a gradual process that occurs due to exposure to environmental factors such as humidity, etc. The corrosion products formed in dry corrosions can result in a thin and dense layer on the metal surface, which can cause changes in the metal's electrical, mechanical, and optical properties. It means that it's changed the properties of the any materials on which it takes place. Second one is the wet corrosion. Wet corrosion is also known as aqueous corrosion, is a type of corrosion that occur in the absence of an electrolyte. So it takes place in the absence of an electrolyte, presence of an liquid electrolyte such as water or any aqueous solution. The presence of a liquid electrolyte enables ion transfer between the metals and the electrolyte, resulting in an electrochemical reaction that causes corrosion of the metal. So wet corrosion can occur at a faster rate than that of the dry corrosion, especially in aggressive environments such as those containing high levels of salts or acid. Moreover, the several factors, including the composition of the electrolyte, the metal being corroded, and the presence of other contaminant, cause this type of corrosion. So next we will see the theories of corrosion. First, there are several theories to attempt to explain the mechanism of corrosion. First one is the electrochemical theory, which tells us that the corrosion process takes place like an electrochemical reaction take place in the cells, where oxidation and reduction take place. So this is the electrochemical theory. Second one is the chemical theory. Chemical theory proposes that corrosion is a chemical reaction between the metal and its environment, leading to the formation of metal ions and corrosion products. So this is a chemical theory that tells us that the chemical reaction take place during the corrosion process or rusting of iron. Third one is the adsorption theory that proposes that corrosion is initiated by the adsorption of corrosive species such as oxygen or chlorine. Next one is the thermodynamic theory that considered corrosion as an energetically favorable process driven by the Gibbs free energy changes of the system. Next, we will see the effects of corrosion. Effects of corrosion can include reduction in material strength and structural integrity. Corrosion causes decrease in material strength. It increases the maintenance costs, reduce efficiency of system and equipments, environmental contaminant due to the release of corrosion products, and last one is the loss of material thickness and overall material volume. These are the effects of corrosion. Next, we will see the prevention from corrosion. How we will prevent from the corrosion? Several methods are adopted for this. First one is the protective coating. Application of coating such as paint or plating to provide a barrier between the metal and the environment leads to the decrease in corrosion or prevention of corrosion. Second one is the cathodic protection. Use an external electric current to suppress corrosion by redirecting corrosion reaction away from the material surface. These are the two methods. Next method we will see here to prevent the corrosion. Introduction of a chemical inhibitors into the environment to interface with the corrosion process. Inhibitors basically the species that reduce the reaction rate of corrosion. Second one is the material selection using corrosion resistant materials such as stainless steel. Then the environmental control by controlling the environmental factors such as temperature, humidity. Next one is the design modification. By modifying the designs, we can also reduce the corrosion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.